Troy could not avoid the letdown that many had discussed, falling to South Alabama 19-8 Wednesday at Veterans Memorial Stadium. The loss follows one of the program's biggest wins, a victory over a ranked LSU team on September 30, and occurred on a night when they played with the ESPN2 cameras in the house. The defeat also replicated a similar stretch in 2016, when Arkansas State hammered Troy 35-3 on ESPN2 just days after the Trojans earned the program's first Associated Press Top 25 ranking following a victory over Appalachian State. What harmed the Trojans was another lackluster offensive performance filled with mistakes that killed drives. The Trojans, 4-2 overall, 1-1 Sun Belt Conference, had several possessions reach Jaguar territory throughout the game, but crucial penalties and mistakes led to a 1-of-4 showing in the red zone and few points. Mistakes happened on special teams too. In fact, the Jaguars' first points followed the first fumbled punt return from true freshman Marcus Jones. Jones had a strong return going, but a last-second hit from fellow Enterprise High graduate Carlos Robinson popped the ball loose. South Alabama, 2-4, 1-1, recovered and cashed in with a 1-yard touchdown run from Xavier Johnson just 3 plays later. In the second quarter, defensive tackle Jamal Stodham intercepted a pass from Cole Garvin deep in Jaguar territory. Troy did not take advantage, though, as Jaguar star safety Jeremy Reeves intercepted a batted Brandon Silver's pass at the 2. South Alabama led 9-0 at halftime thanks to a safety after Troy running back Jordan Chun lost a yard on a run near the goal line. Troy's offense continued to struggle in the second half, going 3 and out on the first drive. South Alabama, behind backup quarterback Dallas Davis, essentially salted the game away on the ensuing drive. Davis completed 3 of his 4 passes for 39 yards, including a 14-yard touchdown to Malik Stanley, to increase the lead to 16-0. The Jaguars added a 47-yard field goal from Gavin Patterson in the fourth quarter. The Trojans tried to mount a late rally, marching 81 yards in 9 plays at the midway point of the fourth quarter. Silvers capped the drive with a 1-yard touchdown run, and John Johnson converted the 2-point attempt on a wide receiver reverse. With 6:16 left in the game, Troy trailed 19-8. Troy made another strong push into Jaguar territory, but Evan Legacy's second missed field goal of the game with 3:01 to go ensured a Jaguar victory. The Trojans managed 299 yards of offense and just 30 on the ground. That followed a 206-yard rushing performance against LSU. Despite scoring 19 points, the Jaguars managed just 224 yards of offense. They scored 10 points off turnovers. Troy had 4 turnovers in the game. With the win, the Jaguars recaptured the championship belt that is at stake in the rivalry game. South Alabama has possessed it 2 of the 3 years the belt has existed.